Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Shop Missy haul. So if you want to see what I picked up in this order, of course, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's start off with the first makeup-y kind of product. We have the AOA Studio Big Boss Balm. This is for lips, hands, and body. When I first purchased this, I honestly just thought that it was like a lip balm and that's it. But I guess you could use it on your body. It says for all skin types and it's meant to hydrate. I went ahead and picked up the peach scent. So this is the extra large body balm for all over hydration. It's an easy mess-free roll-up body balm that goes on smooth and protects skin. It is meant for dry girl, can I not read? Dry patches, cuticles. Oh, okay, that's a good note. Face, elbows, lips, knees, hands, and heels. All right, it's translucent, it smells great. How to use, you just roll it up and apply it on dry areas. So I do already own the pink one. I think it's like the raspberry one. I use it in every single full face of Shop Missy video. You guys know if you guys have been here. I do those a lot, so go ahead and subscribe so you guys can watch the next one because I already have it filmed. I'm ready to go. So yeah, we do have this one here, which I am gonna go ahead and open. All right, so there's a look at that. It is just a chubby kind of a balm moment. Looks like that. It is like a slight peach scent, but like nothing offensive at all. This is such a pretty color as well. So I did purchase their new foundations. So I got two of them here. They're basically just stick foundations. I was so excited when these came on the app. I'm just like, on the app, I wish they had an app. On the website, I wish they had made the packaging like a pink. I don't know. This gray is kind of boring. But these are called their A+ Flaw Eraser Foundation Sticks. Again, I picked up two of them here. They look like so. This one here is a nude, and also went ahead and purchased sand. I was really shocked by how much product you get in here. So it is a clear cap, which I can appreciate. So let me show you how much product you get. I mean, it was like $155, but still, that's like a little bit of product, especially for a stick kind of vibe. You're definitely gonna go through this quicker, I feel, because you're wiping it on or whatever. I don't know. So I did pick up two shades. I'm gonna give them a swatch for you guys. Why not? So you guys could, like, if you want to purchase it. This one here is in nude. Oh, this is a little too light, girl. Nude. And then we have sand, which sand is the one that usually matches me. I don't know why I picked up nude, but I really wanted to see and compare them. And it is like a waxy kind of formula. So this one is nude and this one is sand. Well, maybe nude will match me more because sand seems to be leaning more on the pink side. We'll see. I'm definitely going to try both of them on the face, but very interesting. I'm not too happy about how much product you actually get in here. We'll see how they work. I also did go ahead and pick up one of their highlights, and this is their Everglow highlights in Magic Hour. Again, same kind of packaging moment. I think they're gonna stick with that gray vibe. It's just like kind of like, I don't know, it's boring to me because a lot of their products are pink, and that's just kind of what makes me reach for them a little more, and what distinguishes them from my other products. That this is kind of gonna just mesh in with my collection. But again, this is the Everglow highlighter in Magic Hour. It says it's non-toxic and cruelty-free. They did come out with 3 shades, and I picked up the one in Magic Hour because I like the name, but also the color is really nice. It has a little imprint of a flower in it, and it is like a pinky kind of moment. I wanted to pick up something different that I don't already have. There's a look at that. Let me swatch. And it also does come with a mirror. All right, so there's a swatch of Magic Hour. It's actually really nice. So I definitely can't wait to try that out. I'm gonna do another full face of Shop Missy soon. So again, that's why I said stick around and subscribe. We also went ahead and picked up this product, which is an eyeshadow palette. They did have another product that kind of looked like this. That was an eyeshadow palette, or maybe that's SheGlam. I think SheGlam has something like this. Anyway, this is their Fly With Me multicolor baked eyeshadow. Yeah, see, it's an eyeshadow. Or you can use it as a blush and highlight. So I went ahead and picked up the one in Forest Queen, which is the one that comes with more like pinky kind of tones. I really like the packaging. It's really cute and matches my nails, those little butterflies. And Yeah, this is definitely the more pinky one. They also did have a blue one and some other colors, but I think this one as a blush will be really nice. I'm not going to swatch it in today's video, but again, we are going to use it on the face. I'm going to use it as eyeshadow and blush, so we'll see how that works. We have their glitters, so they went ahead and came out with 5 different glitters. Yeah, 5 of them. These are called their Wonder Glitz Glitter Gel Toppers. I have to say, this value set is like heavy. These products are so like weighted. They just feel nice and luxe, and I really like the little box that we got. It's really cute. You do get the names of each color here, and these say it's a high impact shimmer for eyes, cheeks, and lips. Interesting. It's free from parabens, mineral oil, and sulfates. Why you will love this is because it has a high shine, it's enhancing and vibrant. So let's take a look at these. I did already open them. I just wanted to see that they were all intact. This is part of their Papa line, which is why it's pink. First one here is in the shade Vivid. I'm not going to use them right now or swatch them because again, I am going to do a full video doing a full face of Shop Missy soon. But this is a pinky one. The blue one is in Radiant. How stunning are these? And again, they are very weighted. This is the most popular one. This one here is in a Moon Glow, and it does have like silver undertone, but it has like so many colors and it's stunning. We have this purple one in Starlight. Beautiful product. Let me know if you've purchased these. What do you think? Let's say we have the one in Silk, which is more of a pinky, like red undertone kind of moment. It's stunning. Again, let me know if you bought these. Did you try them already? Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm honestly super excited to try these out and see what they're about. But yeah, definitely had to pick up every single color because they're stunning. They just look so beautiful. Maybe we could try one on the lips as well. So yeah, keep an eye out for that video. Next, I went ahead and purchased this little set. This is the AOA Studio Brow and Lash Brushes. It says Bamboo Brow Plus Styling Lash Styling Brushes. But honestly, when I saw these, I thought of like a brow soap because I don't want to mess up my other spoolies. I thought, why not use these little like disposable ones? And they're just so cute, and they come in 3 different colors in here: a pink, a purple, and a black. You get 3 of each color, and I think they're just adorable. So it says get a handle on brows and lashes with an eco-friendly bamboo, and it does bend. They're hygienic, they're essential, eco-friendly, and travel-friendly, which is so true. And this comes with 10 brushes and a retail for $188. So I thought, why not? You never know when you're gonna need those. So now we're gonna get into the more like tools that I purchased. The first product is the AOA Studio acrylic tip nail clipper. I purchased one of these on the SheGlam site, which actually broke on me. So I wanted to see if this one was any good. And whenever your acrylic nails or your press-on nails are a little too long, obviously you can use this to cut them. So this is the pink one. I think it came in 2 different colors, and it did retail for $155. It was so cute, and it says AOA Studio here. It's actually really nice. Yeah, the other one broke on me. I think the press-on nail was a little too hard to cut, but yeah, it looks interesting. You guys know I love my press-on nails. Right now I'm just letting them heal and, you know, just breathe a little bit. So I have been painting them, but I went ahead and purchased this for when that time comes, when the press-on nails are a little too long, I can use it. Next product is also nail related, and I actually did use it yesterday. This is a AOA Studio Nail Polish Corrector refillable pen. So I have to look at the instructions because I was really shocked to see that the little tip wasn't like infused in nail polish remover. I thought that's what we had agreed on when I purchased this, but apparently not. It was just like a dry kind of vibe. I did have to dip it in nail polish remover just real quick, go on when I painted my nails yesterday, and just kind of go around. I wanted to try it out. I thought it was fine. I have to read the instructions again. It says it's fast, remove mistakes instantly. It did retail for $1, which was okay. Solution, it says have a perfect mani-pedi, travel friendly, which is true. The only gripe I have with this is that I like to let my nails dry before I go in and correct them, but I think this is a product you have to go in with instantly. When you're painting your nails, if you make a mistake, just like use this to wipe it off. I think that's basically what it is, because these little things are pretty hard. Oh my gosh, I opened the other side. It does come with some refills in here as well. It's interesting. I'm definitely gonna have to keep using it, but so far I'm like, meh. I usually just go in with like a ear swab, dip it in the nail polish remover, and use that. But I guess this is basically like the ear swab. I don't know. All right, so they added a couple of shower caps and also like ear covers. I went ahead and purchased one of the shower cap set. It comes with 6 in here. It says one size fits most. Disposable shower caps. They're waterproof plus protects all hair lengths and types. So I thought that was interesting. It was only $1. It's meant to be durable, travel friendly, and versatile. So yeah, whenever I dye my hair or whatever, you never know when you're gonna need those. And I thought these were so good. As soon as they came on, I added them to carts and I purchased 2 sets. So it comes with 10 ear covers, and it says the same thing, one size fits most. Disposable plastic ear covers, stretchable ear protectors, basically what you use for like when you're dyeing your hair. That's what I would use it for. So that's why I picked up 2 sets, because I hate having the hair dye on my ears. It's just difficult to remove. So I thought, why not? Let's try these out and see my thoughts. But yeah, I also went ahead and purchased 2 air fresheners on the same style. These are the lavender scent. You guys know I purchased these before. It has a little girl on them, a woman on them with a bun. It's just so cute. They smell really good, and you can never have enough air fresheners, I feel. And these are part of their Oki line. These retailed for $1, and again, they're the lavender scent. They're easy to use, lightweight, portable, which is true. Comes in clean, mood boosting scents to perk up your spirit. I think they're just stunning, and why not? They're only $1, so really good. And I really love the ones that I got in the past. I went ahead and purchased 3 of these. I did go ahead and use them already. I'll have a video on the screen. I did switch up the palettes that I had in that video. I went ahead and added my Pure times Barbie palettes on there, and then the ColourPop Barbie palette. It looks so cute. They're like right here on the side, and yeah, so they're, I didn't even tell you guys, they're the multi-purpose mount holder. So I just use them to hold my palettes, and these retail for $133. I think they're really cute. Oh, okay, I'm seeing the pictures on the back. So you can use it for a purse or your bag whenever you come into your home. You can use it in the shower to hold your loofah. They're like really nice and durable. I really like these little hooks. I actually do have a couple hanging up here, but yeah, I thought why not? They're really amazing, and I want to purchase more of them. So I purchased 3 of those. I purchased a card, which I'm sure my boyfriend's gonna watch this. I hope not, but this is a happy anniversary kind of card. I'm just like preparing. I thought it was so cute. They do have like happy birthday cards and get well soon cards, so I thought why not? And this is very well made, and it does come with a envelope as well with a pink lining on it. I think it's just so cute. It has like the man's legs and the girl's legs. It's just so adorable, so I thought why not pick this up so I can be ready and prepared. I went ahead and purchased another of their vases. These are called their, I don't know, but it retailed for $188. It was part of the Oki line as well. I do use my pink one, as you can see, so I just went ahead and purchased it in white, and then the flower is so cute. I always keep it back there, but I wanted to purchase a white one and then a pink flower. So I purchased the vase, which looks exactly like the pink one. So happy with that. Then I went ahead and purchased a pink plant. So it's like the pink Delilah, I think. What is this called? No, the artificial succulent. And it looks so cute in the picture, and I was like, oh my god, it's gonna look perfect next to that plant, and it's so cute, right? This is what came in. This little baby plant. So this is their artificial succulent. I didn't think it was gonna be this small. It's like literally smaller than my head, and it's not gonna work, but I'm gonna go ahead and buy a little vase for it. But no, girl, no. So I'm gonna have to buy another plant to fit in this vase. So that was a waste of money, but oh well. I think it's cute. Would I repurchase? No, but now I'm gonna have to buy a little vase for that as well. The last product is another one of these. This is their drain cleaning tool. It's a flexible tool to unclog sinks. The last one that I purchased is so good, and I wanted to have a backup just in case the other one breaks or whatever happens. This was $1 on the site, and it's amazing for the sink or even like the tub or whatever you need it for. So good. And it's like a green kind of color. That's the only color it comes in, but I'm telling you, so worth it. So that's everything that I purchased. Let me know if you've placed a Shopmissy order recently. I love shopping on Shopmissy. I already have my other order. I'm looking at it right now. Came in yesterday. I'm gonna film that video in a couple of days, so definitely stay tuned. I do a lot of Shopmissy full faces, a lot of Shopmissy hauls, so definitely stick around, subscribe, and all of that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.